Yo, everybody deserves respect, no matter what status they are at. But I'm going to kick it like this. People didn't recognize who small cats trying to get to baller status. Now my apparatus is in your face. The movement that 5 years ago you couldn't see, but you best believe the lids flow so smoothly to make your views move and get out the seats. But this is just a tease, there's more from where this come from. We travel through the streets of the shy and observe the damage, and then we scope out the leadership that controls these streets. You best believe it doesn't look good. For 5 years we've been knocking on wood and getting paid like our food should. And we taking over this territory with no problems from assistant leadership, fair and square. My energy and powers come from the air. The invisible forces, you can't even see me. The essence of grace will put frowns to your face. And yo, it's natural to hate, but when you see me, you got to respect my place.
You can't kill what you can't see. All you have to do is get to know me. You can't kill what you can't see, especially when you've been with the HOP. You can't kill what you can't see. All you have to do is get to know me. You can't kill what you can't see, especially when you've been with the HOP.
Many say the dream wasn't supposed to be. Wondering how a player like me was up on the street with a business plan to make dough, capital gain, running in the game, reconstructing the game, shocking every face in the hood when I roll through. Plus giving everybody something to ride to. Plus I rock on and hold their own. Lost some people on the block, but life goes on. Hard times coming, been rough, making decisions. Now it's all good, get it like I should. Keep chasing the cheese, never chasing the skirts. You might run into a crazy who may cut your throat. Don't get me wrong, I love girls. Take a hit, get it lit, light it up to get bliss. Rough times don't take in different outlets, receiving blessings. While haters trying to stop my direction.
You can't kill what you can't see. All you have to do is get to know me. You can't kill what you can't see, especially when you've been with the HOP. You can't kill what you can't see. All you have to do is get to know me. You can't kill what you can't see, especially when you've been with the HOP.
Time has given us a chance to be on top of this rap game. Many years of observing, getting paid and staying humble, gave us a position of control right beneath your eyes with your hands in the air. The 20s on the navigator, you should've looked down and said hi. But when you see me now, it's hate because all became and rise like baking soda in a cake. I knew you were fake, but I respect you anyway. That's how we roll. And steady stacking dope for this kingdom. Strict dimensional records and my boy Ice with Sub-Zero Productions. To create other types of functions for my dogs and ladies who feel what we are coming with for this 21st century. So when you see us, we always fresh with skills that will put you to rest. So I advise you not to test because the proof is in the presentations. With no hesitation, when me and my boy Comp and the rest of the strict dimensional crew, I thought you knew.
You can't kill what you can't see. All you have to do is get to know me. You can't kill what you can't see, especially when you've been with the HOP. You can't kill what you can't see. All you have to do is get to know me. You can't kill what you can't see, especially when you've been with the HOP.
Yo, my name is Lahad, and I represent for Strict Dimensional Records. And I want to give a shout out to my peoples out in Hopkins Park, HOP, Pembroke, Moments, and Kankakee. You know what I'm saying? There's definitely more for where this come from.